Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here we are at Home Goods looking at their home decor. So come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, of course, when I visit back home, I'm going to go to the Home Goods there. I absolutely love that store and I love how organized everything is. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the shopping trip. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. And guys, always remember that if there's a particular or a certain collaboration you would love to join in or host in, just send me a message and I'll be more than happy to add you in. hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.